More champagne, please. This is supposed to be a party. Come on. I know it's very hot, and it is plumbing hot, I tell you. And this is, I'm speaking to you probably 48 hours before you're going to... I've just dropped the champagne, and it's gone everywhere, and it's made a bit of a mess. I shall have to have more champagne. Well, today, the time has come to talk about Tamiya. Now, everybody keeps saying to me, when are you going to do Tamiya? When are you going to do Tamiya? Well, I think that we ought to really get down to it. So, without further ado, why don't... I'm going to have to reshoot this again, aren't I, and redo it, obviously. Hello, Mr. Tamiya. Oh, mushy, mushy. Sir, this is a great honour. Look at the size of these, they are so small. These are your tracks. They're tiny. Oh, they're also very brittle. Why are they solid? They're not actually malleable, these. Oh dear, I'm sorry, John. I didn't intend to just break that, but you'll see when you examine this kit that they're solid. So there's no way you could use them. This is not rubberized at all. It's like plastic. And it comes off a sprue that... Whoa, that's also just broken my hand. Oh my God. I'm going to get so sued for this. A Harrier. A Harrier! My kingdom for a decent Harrier! Rank stupidity. You know, I've never encountered anything quite like it. I mean, there you go. So that's the instructions. I am now hereby officially going to commit them to what they deserve. That is the biggest load of pants I have ever encountered since I've started modelling when I was about 5. Maybe 7. You utter imbeciles. I don't believe it. I've just officially ripped it up, and that's what they deserve.